Yale Real Living push-button deadbolt, cylinder swap. Remove the push-button keypad escutcheon from the door. Please note, it is important to identify the cable path under the plastic wire guide. Improper reinstallation can cause wire damage or mechanical deadbolt interference. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws that hold the black plastic wire guide in place. Remove the cylinder retention screw and lift out the cylinder from the keypad escutcheon. Insert your replacement deadbolt cylinder with a lazy cam and the same dimension tailpiece into the housing and secure it with the cylinder retention screw. Reinstall the black plastic wire guide and 2 screws, paying close attention to the cable path under the plastic wire guide.